Microsoft forcing you to sign in order to set up your Windows 11 computer. Well, stop. You don't have to do so. There's a way to bypass it, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get this started. So, naming my PC, starting off from this point. This is basically, when you're starting and initializing the setup of a new computer. Let's say you buy it at Best Buy, wherever it is, and you get up to this point where it says, let's add your Microsoft account, but maybe you just do not want to do so. So what you can do here is press the following keys in combination, which is Shift F10. But you want to make sure you're doing this while you're not connected to the Wi-Fi or any network. So do not wire it and do not connect it to Wi-Fi. I'm doing this out of a virtual machine. You can do this from a new computer. It's the same process. Nothing really changes except for that Wi-Fi step. I had to detach the Wi-Fi component on my VM, and now I'm running that command here, which is OOBE backslash bypass NRO. Now we just give it some time. It'll take a few minutes for it to start up again, like a minute or two. We go through that same process again. I forgot that I'll have to name the computer again since it's pretty much starting from scratch, but this time you get to choose the option of I don't have internet. Now, in this portion, you get to pick your name, just enter your name. It's basically just creating an account. You can add a password if you'd like. It's a local user account with admin access to the computer by default. You get to go through all the regular settings, and it'll start up, and just make sure to set up your account here. You give it a few minutes since it's the first time you're signing in with that profile or just creating an account in general. It usually doesn't take all that long, especially on newer devices. And there you have it. There isn't really much to it, but this is something that many do not know, and they usually have to go around and make a Microsoft account, link it to the computer, and it just involves a whole bunch of other issues that people are just not interested in. And I hope this was helpful. I'm just reconnecting that network adapter here to my VM just to get it reconnected and online. Now, if you do want to sign in with your Microsoft account later on, if you create one, you always have that option to do so. You can just open up the settings and go into accounts, and you should be able to link your Microsoft account and sign in. There you have it. That's how you bypass the Microsoft sign-in requirement that Windows is making much harder every day. It's an easy way to get rid of it. It still works. Just feel free to comment, subscribe, like. Stay tuned for more Windows tips and other kinds of videos. Yes.